Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, sales executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our Volkswagen Polo 1 litre 65 PS SE that we currently have on sale. This car was a pre-registered vehicle that's just now been used. It's got a couple of 100 miles on it, so if you do inquire on the vehicle, please make a note that the mileage is not 5 miles and just find out the exact mileage, but it's not going to be an awful lot. We've sold quite a number of these last few days, so chances are it will sell pretty quick. It's in really good condition, just like a brand new vehicle, as you'd expect with a couple of 100 miles on it. There's no dents or scratches. Obviously the new shape Polo comes with a flat bottom leather steering wheel. The radio integrates into the dashboard. It's got CarNet, it's got air conditioning, it's got 2 USB ports, has a stop-start facility, speed limiter, and as I say, it's showing 260 miles at the moment, but as I say, please be aware that that will alter. So for more details on this car, to arrange a test drive or for a finance quote, please make sure you ask for Phil, that's myself, my colleague Harry or Glenn, part of the sales team that will be able to assist you. Many thanks.